Welcome to day 2 of Host Milano. We're at the Latte Art Factory stand. I'm with my friend here, Cabel. He's going to run us through some cool uses of the laugh that you might not have thought of. Take it away.
Hey Nefeli, come on in. So what I've got here, we're gonna try to bang these out real quick. I have grind by weight, great use of automation. We're finding consistency, we're making our coffee better. It's becoming easier for a cafe staff to do an excellent job every time, no matter who's working. And then we slide over, get it plugged into the Sanremo U. I don't have this set up, honestly, for automated stopping, but this is how it's supposed to be, where you can actually tell it, give me 30 grams or 45 grams of espresso, and it does this. This is a really good way of utilizing automation to make it that every staff member makes beautiful espresso, and on the back side, we complete the automation chain by implementing the Latte Art Factory for perfect milk texture, perfect dosed, perfect temperatured milk every time. A lot of cafes wind up having issues from staff member to staff member to make coffee that is consistent and delicious. And with Latte Art Factory, we're able to finish that quality chain and make it so that everybody has an opportunity to pour drinks for customers that are really delicious.
I might just snag that.
Yeah, snag that one. Let's go down here.
Okay.
We're gonna skip this next one. So one of the things that is very exciting about Latte Art Factory is our ability to use it in mobile settings. So some people say, well, I'm having to serve 1,000 folks coffees, and they don't have a way of doing that in a mobile setting. Well, we're brainstorming as a company, looking for ways to create final solutions. So we don't want to give you something that helps you accomplish the goal. We want to accomplish the goal for you as a partner. And so what we've found is that the Latte Art Factory can actually dispense concentrates. And the concentrates, in tandem with foamed milk, give us a complete solution for servicing mobile. So someone can say, I'd like a latte. You can tap the screen, get your espresso heated, get your milk heated and delivered in cup. So this is like a completed solution for us.
Completely opens up the menu.
Absolutely. And if I could slide in here. Nefeli, come on in. So we have a couple different ones right now. We have the iced latte and the cappuccino. I'm going to serve us an iced latte. Drop a cube, maybe 2. So now what we'll do is we'll dispense the iced latte. Coming out first is the cold brew concentrate, which gives us that nice, creamy, nitro frothy texture. And in a couple seconds, see, we switch over to milk. So we're serving a 2-part drink in phases and topped with a very thick layer.
Wow,
so this is something, if I'm serving mobile, if I'm doing a wedding, I'm doing an event at a park, this is a great solution. Cheers.
Cheers to that.
The most exciting thing for people at the end of the day is not this. It might be the next thing we're going to check out, so come on down. On the back side of this whole fun experience is an espresso martini. So folks don't often talk about a combination of a coffee equipment and bar equipment because frankly it doesn't really exist. But with us, we have taken our technology that allows us to foam and add nitro to cold brew, and we've made a mix that gives us an espresso martini. So the espresso martini might cost €1.50 or $1.50 to $2 in ingredients. And you charge, some places charge $15, some places charge $9. So either way, you make your margin very quickly with this type of system. Now we have an espresso martini. Ben, I'm going to have you take this one because I think we have a rule, no martinis till after 5:30 on our side.
I'll take one for the team here.
This is for you.
And you can even feel it's foamy.
Yeah.
It's foamy.
Yeah, it sits with you.
It's impressive.
So that's, if I were to give an elevator pitch, this is the Latte Art Factory. This is a little bit of the way that our systems make your life easier, help you work faster, and even give you new options you couldn't do before. So,
thank you.
Welcome.
Thanks.
Thank you. Appreciate you, man.